In the vast tapestry of existence, there stands a figure, an embodiment of ideals that resonate deeply within the human spirit. Liberty, the God of the United States. Clad in robes that shimmer with stars and stripes, he is not confined to temples of stone, but dwells in the hearts of dreamers and doers. He is the spark that ignites the fires of innovation, the whisper that urges the weary to rise and chase their aspirations. His influence transcends borders as the light of the Statue of Liberty casts a glow that inspires movements for freedom across the globe. Liberty teaches us that the path to self-determination is fraught with challenges, yet it is in those very struggles that we discover our resilience. He stands alongside Depict, a reminder that while independence is vital, community binds us in our shared journey. Together, they illuminate the truth that dreams are not merely personal pursuits, but collective responsibilities, urging us to uplift one another as we forge a future rich in opportunity and courage.